There we go. Starting to record now. Let's see here. Can I get you to stand at this one here, please? And you know how to model, yeah? And pose away and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. So hold on, I have to change a setting on it. Come on. Happy Sunday morning. Why are you taking 2 shots? Sorry, my camera is deciding to have a fit on me there this morning. There we go. Single mode. Okay. Too old for this. So if you want to take a look, so you use this to spin it. Have a look. Just please don't drop. Now remember, we're just starting out, so and I haven't shot in a while, so I'm a bit bad.
Nice. I like this one.
Okay, well, we're happy.
I mean, yeah, just...
Okay, well, I'm gonna shoot you the other way, so I'm gonna go down that way.
However you want to take off the jacket, so
Yeah.
let me know.
Do you want to just go to this one here? I'll shoot down this way. Yeah, you can come over to the wall a little bit. Yeah. One second. It's a very awkward lens because it's so close to you. Right, hold on. My shadow's in that one. I should have went to the gym more. Okay, do you want to put on your jacket and we go for a little walk? I'm thinking if I get you probably here, and then you do your supermodeling thing. Yeah, that's perfect. Right, where are we?
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow.
Don't know if it's the cold as well, or I haven't actually done this in a while. There you go, if you want to have a look at them. That messy, and it's gonna actually happen. Yeah, hopefully not today. No. So I'm thinking, do you want to come up to this pole here, the tall one there?
Life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
The good thing about this lens is I can't come any closer to 2 meters.
Because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes.
Against the wall. You can leave your coat on because it's a bit colder here. Don't worry about too much of the dirt.
I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone.
Do you want to just kind of get a little bit closer to the wall like that? Fantastic.